ranking the casino games from the worst to the best. Are you ready? Casino enthusiasts, if you're new to the world of gambling, this video is for you. We'll be exploring the exciting realm of casino games, ranking them from worst to best for beginners. Get ready to dive deep into the intricacies of each game, learn about their house edges, strategies, and what makes them worth your time and money. Let's start with the worst game for beginners. Number 8. Slot machines. While they're undoubtedly entertaining with their flashy lights and captivating themes, slots have an incredibly high house edge, often ranging from 5% to a staggering 15%. This means that for every $100 you wager, you could expect to lose between $5 and $15 on average. Slots are purely games of chance, with no skill involved, making it challenging to turn a consistent profit. Number 7. Keno. Next up is Keno, a game that might seem deceptively simple but is actually one of the worst baits in the casino. With house edges typically exceeding 25%, Keno offers abysmal odds for players. Even if you manage to hit a few numbers, the payouts are often meager compared to the amount risked. Unless you're playing purely for entertainment, Keno should be avoided by savvy gamblers. Number 6. American Roulette. Roulette is a classic casino game, but not all versions are created equal. The American variant, with its additional 00 slot, has a house edge of 5.26%. This means that for every $100 you wager, you can expect to lose around $5.26 on average. While the game is easy to learn and offers numerous betting options, the high house edge makes it less favorable for beginners looking to stretch their bankroll. Number 5. Poker. Against the house. Poker is a game of skill, but when you're playing against the house, the odds shift in their favor. Games like Caribbean Stud Poker and 3-card poker have house edges ranging from 2% to 5%, depending on the variant. While these games can be entertaining, they're not the best option for beginners looking to maximize their chances of winning. Number 4. Craps. Craps might seem intimidating with its complex layout and plethora of betting options, but it's actually one of the more favorable games for beginners. The pass line and don't pass line baits offer a house edge of around 1.4%, making them excellent choices. However, be wary of the enticing proposition baits, which can have house edges exceeding 13%. Number 3. Baccarat. Baccarat is a simple game with relatively low house edges. The banker bet has a house edge of 1.06%, while the player bet stands at 1.24%. These favorable odds, combined with the game's straightforward rules, make Baccarat an attractive option for beginners. Just be cautious of the tempting tie bet, which has a staggering house edge of over 14%. Number 2. Video poker. Video poker is a unique combination of skill and luck. With optimal strategy, some versions offer a house edge of 1% or less, making them highly favorable for players. However, mastering the complexities of each game's pay table and strategy can be challenging for beginners. Start with simpler variations like jacks or better or deuces wild before progressing to more advanced games. Number 1. Blackjack. And now, the undisputed king of casino games for beginners, Blackjack. When played using perfect basic strategy, Blackjack has a house edge as low as 0.5%, giving players an excellent chance of winning. The game's simple rules and the opportunity to make strategic decisions, such as hitting, standing, doubling down, or splitting pairs, make it a skill-based game that rewards knowledge and experience. So here in summary of Blackjack, their pros are low house edge, simple rules and skill-based plays. Their cons are advanced strategies needed. To achieve the low house edge, players need to study and practice basic strategy, which might be overwhelming for beginners. Variations. Different versions of Blackjack have unique rules that can increase the house edge, making it less advantageous. Anyway, remember, gambling should always be approached responsibly, with a clear understanding of the risks involved. By familiarizing yourself with the house edges, rules, and strategies of each game, you can make informed decisions and maximize your chances of having an enjoyable and potentially profitable casino experience.